3-minute lightning round of how we manage our cornfield for dove hunting. You guys love the lightning round of the milled field? Now let's do the cornfield. Brought to you in part by Deep River Sporting Clays. Safe, fun, family entertainment. And by these additional sponsors. Question number 1. When do you plant your corn in order to have a successful dove field? You've got to plant it early. That way it has plenty of time to dry out before the opener. This corn takes a while to dry out. We planted our corn the 3rd week of April, and here we are, August 14th, and it's just now dry enough to start manipulating. We probably could have planted a little later, but you definitely want to get your corn in the ground by May 1st here in central part of North Carolina. So plant early, that way the corn is plenty dried out and ready to manipulate a week or 2 before dove season. Which brings me to the second question. How do you prepare your cornfield for dove hunting? And to begin cutting and bush hogging strips in it, starting at about 3 weeks out from the opener. It starts spraying up the ground, we start busting the cobs, which starts making food available to the birds. We don't want to do all of it too early because then the seed will get eaten out by other critters as well. So starting at about 3 weeks out, start manipulating strips into your standing corn. Continue to do that right up through the opener, and you'll have fresh seed for the birds, you'll have bare ground, and you'll have enough of the field cut and cleared out so the doves can access. So similarly, with the third question, they said, do you leave corn standing or do you cut it all down? I do like to leave rows standing to provide shade and cover for the doves to help against predation. We've got a hawk that loves to live out here, and if these doves can get underneath this shady corn here, they're going to be much more protected. But I don't want it so thick like here that we can lose birds when it comes time for hunting. So I leave about 2 to 3 rows wide so the birds have some shade and a little bit of cover, but we can still find and access our doves when it comes time to hunt. So plant it early enough that it has time to dry out, let it dry out on its own naturally, then begin cutting strips and manipulating it about 3 weeks out from the opener, leaving standing strips, alternating across the field, cover for doves. I'm kicking birds out of the cornfield. They're flying around. I can hear them cooing up in the trees. I think we're going to be in for a really good opener because there's still a ton of seed in here, and we've only manipulated just a few strips of that corn. So it should only get better leading up to the opener. And as I'm flying the drone over, I'm seeing a lot of green down here. But let not your heart be troubled. A lot of that green is this brown top millet that volunteered that's still drying out on its own. There is some grasses in here. A lot of this green is volunteer brown top millet. It's going to be very viable and available to the doves. So there is some grass in here, but there's also a lot of millet. I came through about a week ago and spot treated some areas of heavier grass just to start opening up some more bare soil in here. And that has made a huge difference as far as how open the ground is beneath here. Great example here of all the volunteer millet. Some of that brown top's still green, some of it's completely dried out. But this is going to be very available to the doves, a volunteer crop from last year. That is how we manage our cornfield for dove hunting.